At high temperature, we have about 7 degrees, but for low, it's about -3 degrees.
Today it's going to be sunny with a little bit of clouds. You might want to bring your jacket and enjoy the rays because tomorrow the clouds will roll in and it's going to be pouring wet.
And it feels like it's 2 degrees, but in my opinion, it's probably like -1.
If you had one wish, what would it be and why?
So I could wish for literally anything?
Yes, anything.
Unlimited magical power, of course.
What's the number one thing you would save if your house was burning?
I would save the entire house if I could.
My first TV series was a TV show about, I think, math.
Wow.
Whatever product you make it great, and you'll make a good living at it.
What made you into like a cook, a chef?
I started cooking at Boston Pizza.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
Fish. I absolutely love cooking fish.